Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video, we'll walk you through how to map lead conversion fields in Salesforce. Field mapping is a critical step in ensuring that when a lead is converted into an account, contact, or opportunity, all the important information moves over correctly. This is one of those real-world Salesforce admin tasks that keeps your data clean, your users happy, and your business processes running smoothly. Now, when you're done with this lesson, don't miss our next video where we'll show you how to streamline Salesforce processes while also reducing license costs through Salesforce's rebate program. Now, let's dive in. From anywhere in Salesforce, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Setup. In the Quick Find box on the left, type Object Manager, then click Object Manager. In the Object Manager list, search for and select Lead. This is where you'll find all the settings related to the lead object, including field mappings. Now, once inside the lead object, look toward the left-hand panel and click Map Lead Fields. If you don't see it, you might need to scroll down, but it's usually found under the Field and Relationships section. Now, Salesforce allows you to map fields from leads to account, contact, and opportunity. You'll see these three sections inside the mapping page: lead fields to account fields, lead fields to contact fields, and lead fields to opportunity fields. Each section controls what data transfers during lead conversion. Now, let's say that you've created custom fields on both lead and contact. For example, lead source details on the lead and source details on contact. Simply find the lead field in the left column, and from the right drop-down, select the matching field on the target object, and that's your mapping. It ensures that when a lead converts, that data flows to the right place automatically. Repeat this for all of your important custom fields like industry details, region, or campaign information, etc. Now, once you've reviewed and mapped all necessary fields, click Save at the top or bottom of the page, and that's it. Your lead field mappings are now active. The next time you convert a lead, Salesforce will copy over all mapped data automatically. In real Salesforce projects, admins often forget to map new custom fields after deployment. So to avoid data loss, always review field mappings after creating new lead or contact fields. Maintain a quick mapping checklist in your project documentation. This step ensures that your sales team never loses important lead information during conversion. And when you're done setting up your lead conversion mappings, check out this next video where we'll show you how to increase Salesforce efficiency while reducing license costs. You'll even learn about Salesforce's OSP rebate program, which helps you reinvest savings from licenses into training, automation, and consulting. You'll also find links to our Salesforce admin training playlist, including a more real-world Salesforce project videos. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.